Right, so I've got the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra 5G, and let's unbox this thing and see what comes inside the box. So I have the gray version of this tablet, and oops, this is the 12 gigs 256 gig variant. This particular one is made in Vietnam, so let's see if it has some extra features, maybe a physical SIM slot. Let's see. Okay, so the unboxing experience is familiar. Just remove those original tags. Then once you remove the tags, you can now flip it over and take out the top cover and the tablet itself is the first thing you're going to see. Use this to pick it up, and I'm going to put it to the side just for a second so you can first have a look at what else comes in the box. So of course you can see that brand new S Pen that looks like one of those old school HB pencils. It looks really nice, okay, and really authentic. There you go. That to the side. Then you have this box with, I would imagine, is okay. We have a SIM ejector tool. That's a good start. So at least we have a slot, a SIM slot. So whether that's a SIM and SD card slot or SD card only, we're going to find out pretty soon. But that's the Type C to Type C charging cable. Of course, we don't get a charging brick. It's 2025. So what else is there? We have these documents. That should be probably your manual and warranty. SIM ejector tool. Now that's it as far as what comes in the box. So I'm just gonna first of all put everything to the side. And let's get this tablet out of this wrapping sheet. There you go. There's your first look at the gray tablet. It's so gray. Look at that. So that's the first look at the tablet. So let's first look at the physical features. So of course we have this camera, and as you can see, even if I tilt it like this time we have a much smaller notch. Of course we'll see it clearer once I turn it on, but then of course your volume rockers and the power button are at your usual spot. You have microphones. We have the SIM tray, which you're going to check out in a second. And then we have quad speakers. So we have 2 speakers on this side and 2 speakers on this side. So Dolby Atmos should sound pretty great. And let's have a look at the bottom. We have this for supporting, especially when you're using the keyboard cover. And then at the back, you'll notice we have the pins. This time, instead of having the pins here, we have them here. So that means the older keyboard case will not work with this one. So the one from the S10 Ultra won't work on this one. So that's a bummer. But then the other thing you'll notice at the back is the 2 cameras, which I don't think anybody uses, but if you need them, they're there. Okay. And of course the LED flash. And that's pretty much it. Samsung branding in the top left there. And yeah, so that's basically what comes in the box of this tablet. In the next video, I'm gonna turn it on and set it up for the first time, of course, step by step. Okay, now before we do that, let's have a quick look at our SIM tray. So grab your SIM ejector tool and push it towards the tablet, and then pull it out. And there is a SIM tray. So you can see on this particular SIM tray, we have an option for a physical SIM card. And then on this other side, we have the micro SD card. So depending on what region you buy your Galaxy Tab S11 from, you may or may not have a SIM slot. So you can see for me, I have one SIM card option. And on the other side of the SIM tray, I can put in a micro SD card that supports up to 2 terabytes SD card. So you can actually expand the storage of this thing by up to 2 terabytes using a micro SD card. And of course, you can still put in a physical SIM card. So that's great. So I'm just gonna put that back in there. And that mainly depends on which region you buy your tablet from. Now, some regions will not have the physical SIM card, then only have SD card. Anyway, that's the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra unboxing, and that's what comes in the box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.